I can't tell you how many people I talk to that live in a house and think they have to leave because it no longer works for them. Whether it's the stairs or the maintenance or the upkeep, they just think they don't have any other option. But if you have a lot of equity, there are many options. So today, we're gonna meet with my friend, Sasha, who is a reverse mortgage lender, and she's gonna break it all down for us. So I'm sitting here with Sasha, my reverse mortgage specialist, and she is gonna talk to you today about the steps you can take to keep your parents in your existing home. Okay, Sasha, thanks for coming here today.
Thank you for having me. I'm so glad we're talking about this.
I know. First thing, I want you to break down, what is a reverse mortgage?
Simply put, it is a loan against your house that gets paid to you.
Okay, and why would I want that?
Well, there's different kinds of reverse mortgage, and you'd want it if you are a senior. You have to be of a certain age.
What age?
55 in California.
Okay, 55, you guys.
65 in the rest of the country.
Okay. 55.
And it's when you want to tap into the equity of your home,
Okay.
but you do not have the income to qualify for a traditional equity line of credit, for example,
Okay.
or another mortgage.
Okay, so let me get this right. So I can use this as a credit card, you're saying, like a credit card? Let's say, for instance, mom or dad wants to fix their bathroom so it's handicap accessible?
Absolutely. It's a giant credit card, and there's a lot of protocols and regulations to protect seniors, but essentially, yes,
Okay.
you are able to pull out the money that you need
Okay.
when you need it
Okay.
to use however you need it. So, I would go a little bit farther. Sometimes it's not only the bathroom that people need to make improvements on,
Okay.
but if they're wheelchair bound, now we're talking about a potential stair lift
Oh.
to go upstairs.
Oh, yeah.
Or the ramps and entrances to the outside of their home.
Yes.
All of this can be covered with a reverse line of credit, and they never have to pay it back.
Wow. See, I work with seniors all the time. And seniors think just because they can't get up the stairs anymore, they can't get into the bathroom anymore, or they just can't simply get into the house anymore, that they have to leave the house. You don't have to do that anymore.
And I'd go even farther, Erica. I would suggest that you can use a reverse mortgage to access equity to purchase another house,
Really?
if you need to.
How does that work?
A reverse purchase. It's essentially the same as a regular purchase, but you need about half of the amount of money to buy your next property. Let me give you an example specifically of how this can help someone. I just had clients, they sold their $2 million home because they didn't want 2 levels anymore.
Okay.
They needed a single level for multiple reasons. The single level home, they only had to put, it was $1 million. They only put down $500,000.
Okay.
They will never have to make another mortgage payment again. The rest of the money that they got from this sale of their previous house, they're now able to use for a multitude of purposes.
Wow.
They made minor adjustments to the new home before they moved in.
Okay.
They also can pay for caregivers. They have a lot of now excess cash
Yes.
to pay for a little bit of in-home care. They don't need a lot,
Yeah.
but they wanted to stay in their own home together
Wow.
as a couple. And
Wow.
that was the most important thing that we wanted to make happen for them.
Wow. I wish more people knew about that.
100%.
Just because your house doesn't work for you anymore and you have a lot of equity in your home, you still have a lot of options. Sasha, tell us about that.
I would add to that and make sure that they talk to a financial strategist like myself, a reverse mortgage specialist that works with more than one lender. There are a ton of options people have out there. One of the most important points I want to make sure we get through to people is the home is still yours.
Okay.
One of the biggest myths is the bank is going to take my house. The bank owns my house. No, you still own your home. You can stay in your home till the day you pass away or the day you go into full-time assisted living, and that house is yours.
That's beautiful. Okay. Sasha, thank you so much for your time today. Thank you for all the information today. Listen, if this is you and you're in your home and you want to stay, reach out to us at Full Circle. Sasha is one of our contacts that we have that we would love to share with you to help you stay in your home.
Thank you, Erica. It's wonderful working with you and Maura. I think you guys have a service that is so essential.
Yes.
And really we're about education.
Yeah.
So I just would encourage people to reach out and have a conversation.
Yeah.
It's no pressure. And we love helping people.
Yeah, we do. So, what did you think? If this is you or your family and you have a home and it has a lot of equity, give us a call. We have a lot of options for you. Reach out to us at Full Circle.